Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how I animate my pictures with free AI websites. Open your web browser and search for Runway ML. Click on the first site. I will leave the website link in the provided description below. Now hit the Try Runway for free button. Then you need to sign up and you can do it easily with Google account. Once signed up, you will land on this page. Click on Try for free. To start with image, it will take some time, so be patient with it. Upload the picture that you want to animate. It will take some time, so be patient with it. Click on the Generate button once the upload is done. Wait for a bit as it does its thing. Cool, your animated result is ready now. If you want to get it, just hit the download button in the top right corner.